Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to unblock someone on Splitwise. Now the first thing I want you to do is of course launch Splitwise and then come here at the bottom right and click on your profile icon. You can click here on account, and here what I want you to do, next to your name, next to your email, you'll see this pencil icon, right? I want you to click on this and this will lead you to your account settings. Now what I want you to do is scroll down and then you'll see advanced features, and we have this option that says manage your block list. I want you to just tap on manage your block list right here, and you'll be able to see the people you have blocked. So to unblock them, all you need to do is press on this X icon next to their email. There we go. And now, as you can see, we have not blocked any user. So we just go back. And if you saw right there on the top, it said we had unblocked them. So that is how you unblock someone on Splitwise.